Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to clean your headlights. So this is an old car. It's a 2005 model, and this is quite typical for the headlights to end up like that, especially when it's parked out in the sun. Now I'm going to show you how to clean it using just some household tools. So this is some toothpaste and a toothbrush, obviously. Some just normal regular car polish and dishwashing sponge, and then finally WD-40. Now we're going to see which one of the three works best to clear this headlight. So yeah, let's get started. If it doesn't work out properly, then obviously I'll have the lights done professionally, but I mean, it's cool if you could just do it at home by yourself. Save time, save money. Well, maybe not so much time, but save some money. Okay, so let's start with the easiest one, something that just about every single person should have in their house, and that's some toothpaste with an old toothbrush. Fresh headlights. But yeah, I mean, I hope you can see this on camera, but I'm using a fair bit of force. Just get it in nicely like that. Okay, I think that should do it. Just gonna move the camera a little bit. So I'm actually going to use a damp cloth to get rid of the toothpaste. I don't think a dry cloth will be very effective. So yeah, I got a damp microfiber towel. Let's clean it off and see if it made any difference. Oh wow, I think it actually did make a difference. This is incredible. Holy moly. I can't believe this actually worked. Now, this car is actually going to be sold. I don't think we're going to keep it for too long. So this is a perfect, inexpensive way to clean your headlights, especially for a car that you're selling. But I mean, of course, even for your own car, it's perfectly fine. So I used a wet cloth just to get rid of the toothpaste, and now a dry cloth. And I mean, look at that. That's much better. Not perfect, but much, much better. I really hope the camera is showing that. So yeah, toothpaste does actually work. Okay, so the next one I'm going to try is WD-40. Now, in South Africa, WD-40 is not the most popular. Over here, Q20 is actually quite popular, but it is still popular enough that we have it in just about any store. So just your normal grocery store, it's going to be fine. You can still find it there. So I'm going to spray some on this paper towel, and yeah, let's give it a wipe and see what it does. Okay, that looks like it worked instantly. But sometimes it does just look better when it's wet, so I would like to see how it looks later on. Can't see anything that came off, maybe just a little bit of dirt. But okay, WD-40 actually works. I mean, that looks just as clear as the toothpaste one. So later on, I'm going to wash this out with some soapy water and then see if that comes off. But yeah, that looks quite good. So last but not least is some polish. Now, I've tried this before, like years ago, and it did actually work. So I know it's going to work. I just don't know if it's going to be better than WD-40 and toothpaste. But yeah, here goes. Let's check it out. Oh wow, this car polish is quite weak. Maybe because it was standing in the sun for a while. So I'm sure, as you can see, I'm using the rough part of the sponge. I think that's best because you do need to like scrub it. So here it goes. Okay, so I have a dry microfiber cloth this time, and yeah, let's see what it does. Okay, so that obviously looks better than what it was, but does not work as well as the WD-40 or the toothpaste, which is really disappointing. So I think we have our winner here, guys. I think your winner has to be the toothpaste. That really does work. Let's turn on the light and see how it looks. Oh yeah, the toothpaste definitely worked. That looks a whole lot better. So I just want to show you the difference. So the toothpaste is on the extreme right, WD-40 is on the middle, car polish on the left. And we're going to compare that to the headlight that we did not work on, and look at that. Okay, so we obviously have our winner. It's got to be the toothpaste. I mean, even after washing the headlight, it still looks a lot better than the polish or the WD-40. So yeah guys, thank you for watching if you've come this far, and if you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it, and also share the video with somebody who has hazy headlights. I'm sure they're going to find this very useful. And yeah, I mean, it's so easy to do just with something that everyone has at home. So toothpaste, toothbrush, damp cloth, that's about it. Thanks guys, see you.